Puducherry, often spelled Pondicherry, is a union territory of India, situated on the southeastern coast along the Bay of Bengal. Pondicherry has a colonial past, primarily influenced by French rule. It was established as a French trade center in 1674 by François Martin of the French East India Company. Over time, it changed hands multiple times between the French and the British, but was ultimately returned to France after the Treaty of Paris in 1814. Pondicherry came under the control of India in 1954, but it was officially merged with India in 1963. Auroville, located in Pondicherry, is an experimental township intended to foster human unity and evolution. It was founded in 1968 and was inspired by the ideas of Sri Aurobindo and his spiritual collaborator, the Mother Mira Alfassa. Most of the roads in Auroville are unpaved. The Auroville community believes in environment sustainability. The purpose was to create a place where people from different countries could live together in harmony. By not paving roads, Auroville reduces its ecological footprint by not using materials that often have high environmental costs. To understand more of its philosophy and lifestyle, we decided to stay in Gaius Garden, an eco-friendly accommodation inside Auroville. Most of these types of guest houses are known for their eco-friendly living, using natural materials, solar power, rainwater harvesting, and organic gardens. Visiting Gaius Garden provided us a deep dive into Auroville's philosophy of unity, sustainability, and living in harmony with nature. It was an experience by stepping away from the conventional tourism idea and engaging with an alternative lifestyle centered around ecological awareness and human unity. Sustainability is key to its principles. For sustainable living, it uses solar energy, natural sewage treatment systems, and engages in permaculture practices. Auroville, being a self-sustaining community, chose to allocate most of its resources to higher priorities like education, community projects, or sustainability initiatives. The garden itself is an organic farm, providing fresh produce not only for its guests but also for the community, showcasing Auroville's commitment to organic and self-sustainable agriculture. Most of Auroville's structures are designed and constructed with eco-friendly materials. The structures are built with natural materials like clay, lime, and wood, designed to blend with the environment and maintain a low environmental footprint. Most of these eco-architecture buildings are constructed with natural materials. Many structures use rammed earth or adobe bricks, which provide natural insulation and blend seamlessly with the environment. Lime is often used in construction for its breathability and natural properties, reducing the need for synthetic materials. For natural cooling and ventilation, windows and doors are strategically placed to allow for natural airflow. The courtyards or open spaces within the building layout creates microclimates that cool the surrounding areas. You can see the untreated, locally sourced wood used for structural elements, doors and windows. Buildings are oriented to maximize solar gain in winter while minimizing it in summer, reducing the need for artificial heating or cooling. Large overhangs are used to provide shade in summer, allowing sunlight to enter during cooler months. Roofs are designed to collect rainwater, which is then used for gardening or even for flushing toilets. For energy efficiency, solar panels are used to generate electricity from the hot blazing sun in Tamil Nadu. This helps to reduces the usage of electricity from the grid. The naturally insulated walls made from earth or straw bales provide excellent thermal mass, keeping interiors cool in summer and warm in winter. Gaia's architecture isn't just about building structures, it's about creating an ecosystem where the buildings themselves contribute positively to the environment. This approach to architecture in Auroville serves as both a living space and an educational model for sustainable and regenerative building practices. This is just an example of Auroville's ecological and philosophical ideals. Many bakeries in Auroville emphasize the use of organic ingredients, reflecting the town's commitment to health and environmental sustainability. The produce are generally sourced from organic farms within or around Auroville. You can expect a range of baked goods from traditional French pastries like croissants and baguettes to local Indian sweets and breads. Auroville is also home to nice restaurants. Tonto is well regarded for its Italian cuisine, particularly known for serving some of the best pizzas and pastas in the area. They are noted for their wood-fired pizzas, which bring an authentic taste due to the wood burning inside the oven. This apartment building inside the Auroville complex also showcases many of Auroville ideals and philosophy in its construction. Whether it is the utilization of materials, the placing of windows and doors to maximize ventilation and cooling, or making the eco-friendly building architecture, it all could be seen in its DNA. The Matrimandir is the most iconic and spiritually significant structures in Auroville. It embodies the town's vision of human unity and spiritual growth. It is designed as a place for silent concentration and meditation, focusing on the inner life. It's not a religious structure but a space for inner exploration and experiencing a silent, meditative state. The spherical shape represents the universe, with an inner chamber at its heart symbolizing the individual's journey towards oneness. It's often referred to as the soul of Auroville, a focal point for the community's spiritual practices.